So guys, this is our first stop, Talima in Olango. We can go ahead and snorkel here, swim, and then after we'll be heading to San Vicente Sanctuary, still in Olango Island. So enjoy!
1, 2, 3.
My darling, I love you, 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 I l
Hey guys, so naataron diri sa Punta Engaño because we'll be riding the Seahorse yacht in a bit, but diri ta mag-wait sa Hello Kitty Beach and Videoke. So their huts, their cottages are worth 3,000 and you can bring any amount of people you want. So na tables and chairs, and I think they have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. They have 6 large cottages. So Punta Engaño siya na dagat, and mao na pud diri na pud ang waiting area for Seahorse. So my family's waiting there. Ang dagat, okay ang dagat. So daghan siya og bato-bato. Here, let me show you. So we're going there. Nanay mga tao. That's the antipodes of Seahorse, houseboats in Yacht, Cebu. We'll be riding that today. Care of Ma'am Bing. Thank you so much, Ma'am Bing. It's a bit cloudy. Mega may sun, but so far the waves are not that big. So diri may maghuwat guys before boarding Seahorse. So if you can see, dako kayo yung area ang usa ka cottage, and each cottage has one videoke machine. So nindot ka siya for events like birthdays or mga barkada getaways. Pwede mo diri. Okay lang dagat. I have not gone underwater here in the area of Punta Engaño, but we'll see later on. Pero di mi diha maligo niya at tumislaom. So see you later guys. Lagi di. Lagi di. Welcome on board Seahorse houseboats in Yacht, Cebu.
With this feeling I can leave. I'm working and I'm dreaming. Will you dare to give it all up and walk by my side? Do you see the road? Do you hear its call? Do you want a part of it? Just getting me above now. Just getting me above now. see the sun goes down, driving lights in hearts, counting trees around. This is our day to dream. My heart it's cursed with you. My heart is cursed with you. Just get me
One, two, three, funky.
My darling, I love you, 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 I love you
One, two, three, funky.